Honestly, this stuff is absolutely magic. It really is. Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing a mirror skin tutorial. Now mirror skin is a combination of the glass skin trend, but mirror skin is more realistic, it's more natural. There are more flaws left in the skin. So it's a combination of kind of dewy and realistic skin. So the first thing I'm going to do is use Rhode, and this is the Glazing Milk. A few drops in my palm, rub them together and prep the skin. I love, love, love Rhode. I really love it. I think it's a great brand. See, look how glass-like the skin looks already just from that one product. I know it's not sponsored. For extra glow, I'm going to use Merit here, and this is their Great Skin Serum, and I'm just going to use 2 pumps of it all over the face. So we've reached glass-like gorgeousness. Next up, I'm going to use the Erborian here, and this is their CC Cream, and I'm going to put a little bit of this, which comes out completely translucent and then transforms into gorgeousness on the skin. And I'm just going to use my fingers. Honestly, this stuff is absolutely magic. It really is. My partner would love this. So, speaking of my partner, quick funny story here. My husband edits my videos for me, which is really nice, and he does a very nice job. But it takes about 9 years to do a video. Honestly, like a 2-minute video, he'll still be pissing around with it about 5 hours later. And I'm thinking, honest to God, so I'm going to fire him. But the problem is you can't, can you? You can't fire him. So, and he's got this gorgeous face, which kind of, oh, it's like, every time I think, like, can you just speed up? And then that gorgeous little face, and I'm like, fine, just go back to watching Dexter, go on. Right, so skin is now perfected to the level that we want it for this kind of look. Next up, Erborian again, and this is the Skin Hero Glow. Now you could apply this before, but I'm just going to apply it on the kind of high points afterwards. And all it's going to do is just give more of that kind of glass-like effect that I'm looking for. And that's where I really want it. And right above the brows. Beautiful. So next up, I'm just going to do a little bit of concealing. This is by Jones Road, and it's epic. And I'm just going to go in to the inner corners. Just any discoloration I can see around the eyes and around the nose. I'm just going to blend this in with my finger. I love Jones Road. I think it's marvelous. So next up, colour. I'm going to use Rhode, and this is Sparkle. Now for this, I'm going to do a couple of stripes on my forehead, one down the nose. For blusher here on the face, I'm going to do it in the boyfriend style by just doing 2 vertical stripes. Now I'm going to use a brush and just tap it and press it, moving it outwards. So tap and press outwards. Tap on the nose. Now when it comes to this section here, I'm going to pull it down, all the way down like the boyfriend blush, and across at the top. Down and across. Just gives natural flush. Down and across. Beautiful. Tap with my hands, make sure everything is blended in. I love this look, I love it. So I'm just going to use a tiny bit of brow powder here. This is RMS. By the way, they are such a nice company. The founder is one of the kindest, loveliest, most gorgeous woman, should I say, that I've ever met. She's so lovely. And I bought this, by the way, wasn't sent to me. Just a little, comb through. Lovely. Now, before I finish, I'm just going to use a really lovely waterproof black eyeliner. And I'm just going to comb through the lashes just to darken them so they look real. It's so subtle, this, but it's just enough. Now the final step is to take this product here, which is by Mally Beauty, and it is a silicone balm, and you need to very strategically now mattify very specific areas. So I'm just going to mattify just this center portion, just here, just above the brow, and just this kind of center bit of the forehead. Now I'm not going to do down the bridge of the nose. I'm just going to do the sides because I want the shine down the bridge. I'm going to go over the eyelid gently and then just over the lid and down the sides. So over the lid and down the sides. I want to leave this really pretty arc of highlight here, and I'm just going to mattify underneath the cheekbone, just like so. Now, just had a shower, so my hair is nice and wet. We'll deal with it another time. And that completes this really, really pretty mirror skin tutorial. I hope you like it. I love this. This to me is everything about makeup. It is so perfect, so beautiful. I love it. If you want to be really fancy, just go in, quick spritz, have a setting spray, pop your glasses on because I'm legally blind, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.